with you a very simple and effective trick of descriptive writing, paragraph writing or essay writing. And I'll also share with you my descriptive writing on the topic my favorite season. So let's begin. First you need to divide the topic into 3 units: introduction, description and conclusion. For the first paragraph, that is introduction, explain or introduce the topic. Example, what are seasons? How many seasons are there? When does your favorite season fall in the year? Etc. In order to make it lengthy, you can also add a famous quote or few lines of a poem about the same. For the second paragraph, that is description, write about your favorite season in details. For example, why do you like it? What are the changes seen in nature? What are the seasonal flowers or fruits, etc. Finally, in the last paragraph or conclusion, add an interesting incident or story about the season which makes it more special and memorable for you. Don't forget to add how much you wait for it to come every year.